To be able to use Microsoft Speech Services or Dictation tool, all you have to do is press Windows key and H. Make sure that your keyboard language is the same language in which you're speaking. If yes, then it will automatically start typing down everything that you say. You can also give it commands to follow, like saying new line, to insert a new line in the text, or say new paragraph, to add a space between different paragraphs. In this case, I have enabled auto punctuation to make it easier to edit my text later on. You can remove this feature by clicking on the settings inside the Microsoft Dictation tool. If you want to type or dictate in a different language, all you have to do is change the language in your keyboard. Y ahora todo lo que digamos será convertido en texto por la herramienta de dictado de Windows. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share it on your social media. And remember to follow p3.hero on all of their social media. And subscribe to my newsletter to get more content like this. Thank you very much for your support.